In this video, we are going to create mating gear. Mating gears are a pair of gear that work together to transmit motion and torque effectively. They are designed with precise tooth profile to ensure smooth engagement and minimal power loss. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select right plane. Take circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 47.6. Then another circle of diameter 32. Now take line tool and from here draw a line, to this also a line and a center line. Okay. Now we can make it symmetric. Take symmetric constraint and give symmetric relation between the parallel lines. Now take dimension and this distance let's give as 28. Invoke trim tool and trim the circle arcs. Okay. Now take circle tool and draw a circle from origin. Diameter is 45.8. Okay. Then we will draw line. Take line tool and from the outer circle to this inner circle draw a line, and to this side also we will draw a line. Okay, we can give dimension. Okay, this angle we can give as 135. Take trim tool and trim this arc and this one. Okay. Now here we have to give dimension. This is 1.3 and here also 1.3. Okay. Now to make the sketch fully constrained, we should apply vertical constraint. Take vertical constraint and here okay. Now we have fully constrained sketch. Take extrude feature, select this profile and extrude it to distance 3. Okay, now take right plane. Select this face as sketching plane. Invoke line tool. Make it construction line. And from origin, Here we'll draw a line. We'll change construction line. Okay. We are going to draw teeth for the gear. You can follow my direction. Draw a line, then a small arc, then a line connecting to the construction line. Okay. This distance we can give as 1.2. And the length 1.2. Okay. Now this height 2. And this width 0.45. Okay. And here it is 0.75. Okay. Now we can mirror it. Invoke mirror feature. Select the sketches, mirror line, the construction line. Okay. Now the sketch is mirrored and constrained. Now we can extrude the profile. Invoke extrude feature. In extend type, to object, and opposite face you have to select. Okay. Now we can give circular pattern. From create, in pattern, take circular pattern. Okay. From timeline you can select the feature. In object tab you have to choose feature. In mine it is already selected. Axis will select this arc. Okay. Now in distribution choose partial. Okay, you can drag till here. Quantity is 16. Degree is 120. Okay. We have now finished creating the mating gear. With the design complete, you can refer to the drawing files for the verification. In the next video, we'll be creating more essential components.